Okay, here we're taking the 1957 Porsche 356A Cabriolet. We've just mounted it on our rotisserie, and you'll see that it'll hold itself in almost any spot. It's balanced as perfectly as we can get it. You can see the frame jig structure we built underneath. It's going to be necessary because that entire floor section's coming out, including the rockers. And that's why we spent 2 weeks building a frame jig for this. Some pretty awesome stuff. We'll take a bit closer look here at the frame jig we built. It's mounted on a standard rotisserie. And as you'll see, we did a lot of bolt-on stuff so that we could wind up moving the cross members whenever we needed to, and we could dismantle this for storage later if we need to. We use the torsion bar tubes for mounting points both in front and rear. As you can see here, we got the front mount. We did a truss because we noticed we were getting a little bit of flexing before. And then we mounted to the rear torsion bar tube. We also created another mount to the rear transmission, the only transmission, but to the transmission mount. As you'll see, we've got a nice, sturdy, stable setup here that is literally able to be rotated with one hand. And that was actually with the hand on the arm that just recovered from shoulder surgery. So if I can do that with that arm, that thing's going to be real easy to work on. Stay tuned.